Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, turn on or turn off Bluetooth. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on connected device. Click on connection preferences. Scroll down. Click on Bluetooth. And now here you will see Bluetooth button, and if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on Bluetooth from your phone. And if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off Bluetooth from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Click on three dots more option. Click on show system apps and search Bluetooth app. Now click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Bluetooth will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off power saving. Again open setting, scroll down, click on display. Now here you will see power saving button, and if you want to turn off power saving, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off power saving from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset Bluetooth at Wi-Fi and click on reset. After click on reset, Bluetooth setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth not working in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.